Hello and welcome. If you're looking for ways to earn money online, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 ways to make money online. 1. Online surveys. Many companies conduct market research through online surveys to gather consumer opinions and feedback on their products and services. You can sign up for websites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research to complete surveys and earn money. The pay rate for online surveys varies depending on the website and the length of the survey. 2. Freelance work. If you have a particular skill or expertise, freelance work can be a great way to earn money online. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer offer a platform for freelancers to find work in various fields such as writing, design, programming, and more. You can create a profile, showcase your skills, and bid on available projects. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote other people's products and services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can sign up for affiliate programs on websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction, and promote products through your blog, social media, or email list. 4. Online teaching, tutoring. With the growth of online learning, teaching or tutoring online has become a lucrative way to earn money. You can teach a variety of subjects, languages, or skills on platforms like VIPKid, Teachable, and Udemy. You can also offer personalized tutoring sessions through Skype or Zoom. 5. Selling products online. If you have a product to sell, setting up an online store can be a great way to reach a larger audience and earn money. Websites like Etsy, Amazon, and Shopify provide a platform for individuals to sell their products online. You can sell handmade items, digital products, or even dropship products from other suppliers. Conclusion. These are the top 5 ways to earn money online. Each of these methods has its pros and cons, so it's important to find the one that works best for you. With dedication and hard work, you can earn a significant income online. Good luck!